Hey everyone, today our lesson is going to be about verbs that add s. Let's do a quick revision about our previous lesson. We learned about action parts of a sentence. Action part of a sentence tells us the words that what a person or a thing does or is doing. Sam naps on mum's lap. What does Sam do? Naps on mum's lap. That is the action part of the sentence. Now today's lesson, a verb, which is a word that shows action. An action word, also known as a verb, is something you can do. Here are some verbs. You should be able to do these things. Are you ready to get up and do these things? Come on, let's show your parents what you can do. Read the word before I do. Run, jump, sing, dance, swim, kick, step, walk, nap, climb, sit, look. Okay, now let's take a look at the sentence again. Sam naps on mom's lap. What is the action word, or also known as the verb, in the sentence? What does Sam do? Naps. That's right. That's the action word. Now for something new. If the action is being done by one person, the verb will need to end with the letter S. Let's take a look. Bob, his bike. What does Bob do? Does he ride or does he rides? Remember, we're talking about one person. So what do we need to do to the verb? We need to add s and it becomes rides. Sam up, jump or jumps. That's right, jumps up. Pam in the water. Now it's just one person. What do we do to the verb? Swim or swims in the water? You got it. Pam swims in the water. Ruby in her bed. Is it sleep or sleeps? Remember, we're just talking about one person, so what do we do to the verb? We need to add s. That's right, sleeps in her bed. Now let's do some practice. Let's look at the first sentence. The boy eat or eats an apple? You guessed it right, eats. Let's look at the second one. Mom bake or bakes a cake? We're talking about one verb, one person, so what do we do to the verb? We add s, so it becomes bakes. Dad drive or drives a new car? That's it, drives a new car. Let's look at the third one. The fourth one. Grandma read or reads a story? Reads a story is right. The baby drink or drinks milk? You got it. Drinks milk is the correct one.